So today we are going to go to a junkyard I found. It's about an hour plus away from my house. They don't crush a lot of cars, and I've been told they have a two-door neon. So this is the joys of old junkyards. Boom. Two-door neon. Thank God. So a lot of these went for race cars. So these are pretty well. Look how long it's been here. And it has the window trim. Woohoo! So it's kind of crazy to see this, where they're like so far sunk into the ground because they've been sitting here for so long. But we did get my window trim that I needed. And let's check out this one. It'd be nice to find a 5-speed. No, automatic. It has a glow key. That's crazy. The old junkyards are so cool to see. So, when was the last time you seen a Chrysler grill? Whew, she got hit good. Another Chrysler grill. That one is auto. That one is auto. This one has the Chrysler grill. Someone already started to take. That's really rare. Another Chrysler. Oh God. Ooh, standard. For anyone that doesn't know, we just bought another neon that we might actually end up using this. This one doesn't show. This one's auto. Let's scroll down through here. PT. Man, this is like a neon freaking heaven. Auto. Auto. Even an old Civic, if I was looking for Civic parts for the Civic truck. So the PTs have a 5-speed that fit too. Auto. Auto. When was the last time you seen a Dodge Colt? Auto. Platinum. Most 4-doors were an automatic car. No shifter, but I can see it's an auto. Auto. So now that we're actually back, we can actually get this done. As you see, it was just sitting there. So it'll be nice to get that slid in, get that where it needs to be, and then get that on. So first things first, we're gonna need a couple Phillips screws, which is the same on every neon. Probably going to be hard for you guys to see this, but what we're going to do is we're just going to slide this in. Is the plan. So the last thing to finish up the exterior of the neon is to put your side trim on the window. So we got some double-sided tape. We'll take the rag and just squeeze her down to try to keep it in spot. So now with them on, guys, the exterior is done other than a few small things I don't like. Example, this, I'm going to put some silicone, squeeze that together. Just the metal's not there no more. Same with the passenger side mirror delete. Get a little piece of silicone. Do that so it must just be bent. Oh, it's dirty there. So we're going to do that. We got to glue these in still, which is just my weather stripping for my roof, which is no big deal. And then a quick cut and buff. But as you see, guys, it now looks like a full car. Our powder coat did come today, so we can get powder coating the teal. So I don't think it's gonna look all that bad. We gotta get the bumper brackets set up for the fenders to get the fender and bumper to meet up, and then the exterior is pretty well done. It shines really nice. I think for now we're just gonna cut and buff the hood. No point of re-clearing it, it doesn't need it. And then we're gonna ceramic coat the whole car. So I think it looks good. Leave a comment down below, guys. The long debate, SRT swap or non-SRT swap. For now, we are putting the motor with Crane 18s in it just because it's there and I want to get it running for Stance East. And we're going to take this to Stance East. So hopefully, if you guys are local and you see this, hopefully I see you there. Stop by, say hello. Jeff will be there with his NYG. I'll be there with mine. You can't really miss it. We are going to retrofit my headlights beforehand. So single projector, high-low. And then basically, it's just a huge cleanup. So as you see, it's completely dirty. We have to swap the center console over to a second gen with the short shifter, and then the interior is done, which is pretty crazy to think that we're getting that close. Obviously, we're gonna have to shampoo. It's probably gonna be shampooed like 3 times, vacuumed out many times to get this interior looking nice. I would like to tint the windows and stuff, but obviously it won't be right now. And probably in the next video, we are going to put our black banner here with our green lettering. Probably it's going to say like the YouTube symbol, B is for boost, just so you guys know it's us. So B is for boost is our channel name. Obviously with B is for boost, it should be turboed, like turbo truck, supercharged Camaro, turbo Civic, turboed SRT, turboed PT. Should be turboed. So if we turbo it, guys, we are going to leave the 2.5-inch exhaust on it. You can't really see right now because it hasn't been put on yet, but we do have the thermal, which I think is going to look really sharp. And if I decide to turbo it, I'm going to leave the thermal on it. I'll probably just end up putting an electric cutout on it, kind of give it the sleeper look. Another good thing about the sleeper look is you won't see it right now, but I do have the lower grille that's really rare and hard to find, which will cover up the intercooler, and we do have a piece of aluminum that's already bent for underneath. That's, you know, our air dam. So it should cover up most of the intercooler that you probably won't even see. I wonder. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. We'll definitely come back on the next one. Thanks a lot.